Let us start the next part, children. What is given? Enactment of the Indian Constitution. We have studied in the freedom movement of India that the cabinet mission arrived in India in 1946. It means इस पार्ट में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? How our constitution was formed, बना कैसे. In freedom movement we have studied about the cabinet mission arrived in India. यानी क्लास 8 में हमने पढ़ा था कि 1946 में कैबिनेट मिशन भारत आया था and put forward a set of proposal to meet the demands of the freedom fighters, जिसमें फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की डिमांड को पूरा करने के लिए एक प्रपोज़ल लाया गया था. उस प्रपोज़ल को नाम क्या दिया गया था? कैबिनेट मिशन. वन ऑफ दीज प्रपोजल्स इन्वॉल्व सेटिंग up of a constituent assembly whose members were to be elected indirectly by provincial legislative assemblies lower house only. यानी जिसमें एक ये ऑप्शन रखा गया था कि एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली बनाई जाएगी जिसके मेंबर इलेक्टेड होंगे इनडायरेक्टली बाय द प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर असेंबलीज. Now election to the provincial assembly were held in July 1946. Then what happened? The princely states were represented by the members nominated by the rulers of these states. यानी princely states represented by the members nominated by the rulers of these states. यानी princely states से जो मेंबर भेजे गए थे वो उस स्टेट्स के रूलर ने ही नॉमिनेट करके भेजा था, ना कि वो इलेक्टेड थे. इट इज़ रिटन ना कि इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स, बट दे वर नॉट इलेक्टेड. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ अनडिवाइडेड इंडिया कंसिस्टेड ऑफ 385 मेंबर्स. अब बात यहाँ में दिमाग में रखने वाली क्या है कि बिफोर पार्टीशन, बिफोर व्हेन द इंडिया वाज नॉट डिवाइडेड, देयर वर 385 मेंबर्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. यानी पाकिस्तान बनने से पहले, इंडिया का विभाजन होने से पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में 385 मेंबर्स थे. 292 elected and 93 nominated by princely states. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly. So, this Constituent Assembly has framed the Constitution of India. But here I will remind you children one point, that draft of the Constitution was done by earlier by डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर. यानी डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का ड्राफ्ट तैयार कर लिया था, बट इट वॉज डिस्कस्ड बाय एंड मेड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, now we will continue the formation of the constituent assembly. The first sitting of the constituent assembly was held on December 9 1946. Sorry children, the first sitting of the constituent assembly was held on December 9 1946. It was held at the present central hall of the parliament and was presided over by the Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. यानी who were decided the first sitting of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. This can be the short answer for the short questions. Please underline. The oldest sitting member of the Central Assembly, Dr. Sachidanand was the oldest sitting member of the Central Assembly. He was the oldest यानी eldest member. Okay. On December 11, 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected President of the Constituent Assembly. यानी कि who was the elected President of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who became the first President of India also. है ना. The Muslim League boycotted the Constituent Assembly to demand the creation of a separate state called Pakistan. यानी कि क्या हुआ, शुरुआत में ही मुश्किलें आने लगी. यानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली तो बन गई, क्या हुआ, इसकी फर्स्ट मीटिंग भी हो गई, बट क्या हुआ, The Muslim League boycotted the Constituent Assembly to demand the creation of separate state called Pakistan. उन्हें अपना अलग राज्य चाहिए था, and you know very well it was done. Consequently, the members representing the territories which went to Pakistan withdrew from the Constituent Assembly of India. यानी जो है members रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे थे कि जिनको अपना अलग देश चाहिए था पाकिस्तान, वो उन्होंने क्या किया, इस मीटिंग को बायकॉट किया, वहाँ से विड्रॉल कर दिया मेंबरशिप से. एज अ रिज़ल्ट द membership of the Constituent Assembly of India stood 299 against the original number of the 385. यानी जो membership का जो नंबर है वो घट गया because they have withdrawn. It was afterwards 299 then 385, यानी 385 से घटकर 299 ही मेंबर रह गए. Of these 284 were actually present on the November 26, 1949. यानी इसमें से 284 member were present on the 1949 26 November and appended their signature on the constitution as finally passed. You know na, the date 26th November 1949 was the date when constitution was finally passed. Dr. Rajendra Prasad continued to be the President of Constituent Assembly of India between December 9, 1946 and August 14, 1947. The Assembly held 5 sessions. Now, composition of the Constituent Assembly. The wide-ranging membership of the Constituent Assembly gave representation to all shades of public opinion. यानी इसमें क्या, all shades of public opinion means all the religion people were there, all the category people were there. The cabinet mission plan had ensured representation to only 3 categories, the general category, Muslim and Sikhs. यानी कैबिनेट मिशन के अनुसार उसमें 3 होने चाहिए थे, जनरल, मुस्लिम एंड सिख्स. The Congress leaders had, however, ensured that the other communities like Anglo-Indian, Indian Christians, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes got representation. यानी उन्होंने ये इंश्योर किया कि ये सारे भी कौन, एंग्लो इंडियंस, इंडियन क्रिश्चियंस, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes were also present there. The Anglo-Indians were represented by Mr. Frank Anthony and Mr. S.H. Prater. Please underline the name. Sometimes the name could be asked in the exam. The Indian Christians by Dr. S.C. Mukherjee and Joseph D'Souza, and the Parsis by Dr. H.P. Modi. Through the Muslim League had boycotted the assembly, there were still 2 members who were there in the Constituent Assembly, Zafar Imam and Muhammad Shadullah, who represented the Muslim community. The Sikhs were represented by Sardar Hukum Singh, very important name, sometime it can be asked, and Ujjwal Singh. It can be said that the Constituent Assembly was truly national in character because all the religion members were present there. They were representing their own community. So that is said for India, na? Unity in diversity, that is shown in the Constituent Assembly also. Now it is completed the composition of Constituent Assembly. What is given here? All the committee members were there. All the names is also given. Please underline and please try to keep in your mind, children, the names. Now we will continue objective resolution in the next part of the video.